Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illnesses are ailing us at an all-time high, all at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But today, let's play a game. Career, cash, love, and health. Where you ask Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, a question about your career, your cash, your finances, your love, relationship, life, and your health. And they shall answer in the form of a yes or no. So let's shuffle the deck. Come on, tap that screen, tap that screen, tap that screen together. Come on, Capricorn, did you tap the deck, tap the deck, tap the deck? All right, to my Capricorn, you could be anywhere in the world today. Just spend time with me and the community. You guys are our earth angels. I want you to stay in a high frequency, being the mountaintops, not in the valleys. I need you to see not only every opportunity, but every obstacle that's coming your way. So stay in a high positive frequency. Therefore, you can see and you won't be in a low frequency and tripping over things. No, we want you to be able to see what's coming ahead of you, because greatness is ahead of you. Because look at what you've been building. Amazing businesses, amazing life for yourself, structure and foundation. Continue to do so. Do you have questions regarding your career, Capricorn? How about your cash, your finances, Capricorn? How about your love and relationship life, Capricorn? And your health. Let's talk about your health. All right, so share your energy as we cut this deck together, Capricorn. Come on, tap that deck, tap that deck, tap that deck, Capricorn. Did you tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen, and we're gonna cut it up, cut it up, cut it up together. All right, questions regarding my Capricorn's career. How about your cash? How about your love and relationships? And we'll end with your health. All right, to my Capricorn, send your energy, send that energy. You have one arm available. Save that energy and let's play career, cash, love, and health. In regard to your career, starting off, we have no. Yes. 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 No. Yes. So in regards to your career, Capricorn, you guys are in the right place, right timing for your purpose. Wherever you're going, you're in alignment, and you will be fulfilled. If you're not feeling the fulfillment already, you should be, because you're heading into your dreams. You're heading to a place where your spirit feels the most comfortable and you're most needed and most helpful, and that's where we feel fulfilled. All right, let's talk about your cash and your finances. To my Capricorns, the finances, we have a no. Yes. No. 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 So in regards to your cash and your finances, to my Capricorn, you've been putting a lot of work, but I don't want you to keep dwelling in anything negative, saying that you're not worth something, something's not worth putting the price on, because you're priceless. People are willing to do and give what you say your worth is. Everything under the sun is yours already, and if you neglect it, if you say I'm not sure, that's as quick as things will run away from you and pause their attraction to you. Until you claim it, they'll still be floating around away from you. But as soon as you claim it, say this is mine, because you have dominion down here. Everything belongs to you. Watch how everything flows in abundance to you, no matter the price, no matter what the quantity is. It is yours. Now, welcome to Halftime. Shout out to Marvin and Martian. We're in this world, not of this world. Let's talk about your love and relationship life for my Capricorns. We have no. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. So in regards to your love and relationship life, we do have a no. Not a hard no, it's just a not yet. I need you guys to continue to work on yourselves, because we're always working on ourselves until we transition to the next realm. Every level, we're always transitioning, but I need you to work on that balance to be not only just a loving source for those that are around you, but for yourself. And therefore, once you hone in on that love for yourself, so many things are going to be attracted to you. Money, even your prosperity as far as your job, health, everything just comes into alignment. So you're in a great place. So continue to keep working on themselves, because this is a great time transition coming into a new season. Let's talk about your health. We'll end it with your health. We have a no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. Yes, so in regards to your health, we have a yes to my Capricorns. You have healthy thinking. You're in the right place, right time. You're doing the right things. Taking care of your body. I need you guys to eat right, treat right. I need you on a massage bed twice a month. I need you to be on your chiropractic table twice a month, because if you feel better, you think better, therefore your lifestyle become better. So continue to take care of your body. You only have one of them, and if you treat your body as a machine, then it shall break down as such. So remember to continue to be great, love one another, be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you, and thank you for playing Career, Cash, Love, and Health. I love you.